Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create Jenkins pipeline. I will also explain the key advantage of pipeline over a freestyle job and how to effectively utilize them for your CI/CD workflow. Let's start with the basic. A Jenkins pipeline is a suite of plugins that supports implementing and integrating continuous delivery pipeline within a Jenkins. It allows you to define your entire build process as a code, making it a version control and reproducible. Benefits over freestyle job are pipelines are code based, so they are portable and shareable. They allow complex workflow like parallel task and conditional execution. They are easier to debug and maintain as part of source control, as a part of source control. Let's log into the Jenkins. In my previous video, I have shown you the freestyle project. If you are new to this, go and watch my previous video. I will show you how I created a freestyle job. This is once we click on this, go to the configure. Here I added only a shell execute shell build step, added few commands here and saved the pipeline. That's it. So now let's create a pipeline job. Navigate to the Jenkins and create a new job. Give first pipeline job. Select pipeline as a job type. Select pipeline as a job type and click OK. Here you can see the difference. A pipeline job allow you to define your workflow as a code directly in a pipeline script field here, or you can link to a Jenkins file from your source control. This capability does not exist in freestyle job where which are configured entirely via the GUI. So now let's understand the two types of Jenkins pipeline, declarative and scripted. Declarative syntax is simpler, making it beginner friendly. Enforce a predefined structure, reducing error. Example, I will show you the pipeline. Declarative pipeline will look like this. And structured pipeline are more often more flexible for advanced user, written in plain groovy. It's more powerful but less structured. Example is in front of you. You can see the difference. The key difference is declarative is structured and error proof, and scripted is versatile and closer to the programming. Let's create a pipeline and execute this. I will copy this and paste it here. Save it. Click on build now. We can see the logs as well. This is the first pipeline job. Building, testing and deploying. We have mentioned in a echo, and the pipeline is successfully completed. Go to the dashboard. You can also rename it. Let's rename first pipeline declarative. Now let's create another pipeline. Here we will mention scripted pipeline. Click on pipeline as a job type. Click OK. Scroll down. Here we will paste the pipeline syntax for scripted pipeline. Paste it. Save. Click on build now. Pipeline executed successfully. You can see the console output, building, testing and deploying, and the pipeline is completed successfully. So we are done with the declarative as well as the scripted. So now let's write a Jenkins file, a text file that defines your pipeline. Your pipeline name. Select the pipeline as a job type. Click on OK. In the job configuration page, scroll down to the pipeline section. You will see the label pipeline script. This here I will paste the example Jenkins file that demonstrate the core structure of pipeline. So that's it. This is a simple structure to get you started with Jenkins pipeline. Save and let's run the pipeline. Click on build now. Pipeline is successfully executed. Initializing pipeline. We have run the pipeline and successfully completed. Pipeline is successfully completed. So let's review the pipeline script. So here you can see the stages. Structure of Jenkins files contains stages, steps, and agents. So we'll explain one by one. A pipeline consists of multiple stages such as build, test, deploy, which are group your workflow into logical steps. And the steps inside each stage, steps define the actual action like running a shell command or executing a script. Here we are executing a command. And the agent. Agent specifies where the pipeline should run. For example, agent any means it can run on any available Jenkins nodes, or you can mention like agent Docker and followed by the image. We can mention those things as well. So this is how Jenkins pipelines been created, and the differences we have also checked the difference between declarative and scripted pipeline. Basic Jenkins files is this. I have explained in detail like what are the stage, what are the steps, what are the agents, why we use it, and that's it for this video. We have explored what Jenkins pipelines are, compared declarative and scripted syntaxes, and also written a basic Jenkins file. And in further videos, what we'll do, we'll create some projects, or we will create advanced job, and also I will explain the automation techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. Thank you for watching.